Check out this Ram 8-foot bed, RetraxPRO XR, heavy duty aluminum retractable cover. It has the new XR rail, so you can add these Yakima rack accessories. It has these tie down cleats here. Very heavy duty, strong crossbar setup. You can put a bunch of stuff on top. This cover operates effortlessly. Push it back and you just push it in one strong push and you just open it up all the way. You get instant access to your bed. When it's new, it's a little bit stiff, but it gets easier the next day. You can stop it at any point, so wherever you want to stop it, you just push it down and it stops. If any water gets in, it goes out of a drain tube in the back corner. You just push the cover, it slides right underneath there. Close it, lock it, secure it up. RetraxPRO XR, heavy duty Ram 8-foot bed.